Well, look what we have here. 2 in the box, ready to go. We be fast and
We be fast and they be slow. Wow.
here. Oh boy, check that out. All right. Now another box. It's the Russian doll effect here. Oh, box within the box within the box. Come out. Oh. All right. Check out the graphics on this box, though. It's pretty awesome. Okay. Now to figure out, because I don't want to damage this box. Okay, I see a tape right here. Move over here for the camera. Oh my God! Look, surprise! More boxes. All right. I'm trying to be gentle here because we're getting down to the actual things. Let's open up this box here. See what this is. All right. Let's package it out. Lots of packaging. Aha! So this is for the trap. Oh, I see the PKE meter. Okay, so this is the pedal for the trap right here. See right here. This looks like the holster for the trap, or it could be for the PKE meter. I'm not sure. Actually, I think this is the holster for the trap. This is the holster for the PKE meter, and I think this is just for display of either the trap or the PKE meter. So I'm gonna get this all out, put it aside for now, and then we'll sort this out later. And here, let's see. Yeah, this is the belt for one of the holsters. And here, ooh, the PKE meter. Actually, let's go open this before we go to the trap. Okay, I'm gonna open the plastic because I'm excited to see this one. All right, look at that. Whoa. How do I, oh, you saw that? How do I make it into a, to be honest, I think I need batteries for this. So I'm in tase mode. In the new Ghostbusters film, the PKE meter can tase the ghost. So yeah, there's nothing else that would keep it on. I don't know how to put it back to PKE readings, but I'll look into that later. But now for the one that we're all here for, the trap. Let me arrange myself here real quick before we open this. Here we go. Ooh. Check this out. So this is all the instructions and additional booklets or whatnot. You know, you have the blueprints, I guess, for the trap, with the instructions for the PKE meter. And you probably see what I'm talking about, but we'll get to it. What's this? Ghostbusters Engineering? Oh, cool, it's like a business card. Oh, for the new Ghostbusters film, because Xenomorph. Oh, check this out. Oh, in the first Ghostbusters film, Peter Venkman is trying to find psychic abilities through, was it positive reinforcement or negative reinforcement? Well, look, couple of wavy lines. Figure 8. incredible. That's cool. I'll put this back here. And then we have Camp Wakanda with some stickers and some more blueprint stuff. So put that aside for now. And then we'll get to our trap. Ooh. Okay. Oh, here's the cable for it. So I think this attaches to the trap, to the pedal, to display the trap. You know, like by a fireplace or whatever. If you want to put it on a shelf. Ooh, look at these patches. Oh, that's sick. Oh, that's awesome. Some more additional stuff for the trap itself, but screw it, let's get to the trap itself. Oh man, look at this thing. I'm gonna work through the, oh no, there's an opening here. Oh baby, look at this. Whoa. Oh, that is so cool. Look at that. The wheels are like feels like actual metal. The rest of the thing is like feels like really good plastic, but I don't think there's any batteries, so I can't really turn it on. But oh man, this is awesome, and it's pretty heavy too. So oh, that is so cool. Yeah, I need to put batteries in this, and this looks like the volume control here. But oh, this is so, the detail is so nice. Oh my gosh. Like, I've been dreaming of this since I was a kid, ever since I watched Ghostbusters, and it's just so awesome that I'm seeing it in like real life. And there's a way I seen online that you can actually remove the trap part away from the actual body. So that is so cool. All right, I'm gonna put some batteries in this and try to get this going. So I got the PKE meter working, so check this out. If I can turn it on properly. No, I got it. Oh, that's so awesome. Do that, I can do this, but yeah. I think this stays right there. You can do like that, go like this, and just check for ghosts. And flip the switch right here, goes into taser mode. Not sure how to bring it back to PKE ghost hunting mode. I think I'm supposed to do like this, but I could be breaking it. I'm not sure. So, okay, so the trap takes 4 AA batteries. You actually have to take out the compartment that comes out where the Ghostbusters usually put the containment unit in. So there's actually a compartment in the bottom of this thing that holds 4 AA batteries. So that's all you need. So I'm gonna turn it off, or actually I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna press on the pedal. Don't stare directly into the trap. Press again. Oh, that is so sick. And looks like we have a ghost. And I can show you too. Oh, look, it lights up. That's so sweet. So I'm gonna show you too. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. Close it back. There's a way where you press on this thing on the hook right here on the handle, and then actually, you can actually, and then I can show you where the battery is. So you put the 4 AA batteries right here. So, but it's pretty awesome. And now it's ready. The light is green, the trap is clean. Oh, there's no green light. That's on the containment unit, but let's try that again. Yeah, I still need to figure out how, because there's certain modes here. I think that means it's ready. No, now it's ready. Let's try this again. Oh my god, it's just like the movie. That is so awesome.